Hey. So what you just heard is seben, or most of us call it Makossa. I'm going to show you a very simple way to get started. So if you are watching this video and you have no idea how to play seben or Makossa and all of that, in this video I'm going to show you a simple trick, just like you heard, a very simple way to play it. So all I want you to do is to stay to the end of this video, because by the end of this video you're going to be able to play this. So stay and watch this video. Alright, so let's get started. So what I'm simply doing is I'm playing a 1, 5, 4, 5 progression. So do, so, fa, so, do, so, fa, so. That's the progression of it, right? So I made a video showing how to play different simple shapes that can help you play Makossa or seben, just like you heard me doing. So I'm going to attach that video so that you learn all the shapes, but I'm going to show you all I'm doing here. So what I'm doing is I'm using this on the 9th fret. I'm using my middle finger to play mi, then my index finger on the 8th fret holding the 2 strings. So do, mi, so do. Yeah, mi, so do. That's the first shape I'm using. Then the other shape I'm using is your D shape. Remember this D shape, right? This D shape. I'm simply taking it here. I'm simply taking it to my 7th fret, but now instead of playing it as my D shape, I'm using my index finger. Instead of holding these 2 like this, I'm using 1 finger to hold it. So instead of 2 up and down, I'm doing like this, right? So we have this shape. So this is what I'm using for my do. So if you don't know how to play this, use this for your do, right? Then I'm using this for my so and my fa. So this is for my do, so, fa, so, right? Now the good thing about these shapes is that they are movable across the fretboard. So if this is my fa and this is my so, it means that if I keep traveling, I can play do and I can play fa. So what I'm simply saying is that these shapes, they are movable on the guitar. And even this shape I just showed you, do, it means that if I move, I can also get my fa. It's very simple, so just have that in mind, that all these shapes, they are movable. If you are enjoying this video, I want you to go to the comment section and type I'm enjoying this video. And if you are struggling to play Makossa and all of that, let me know in the comment section. And by the way, if you don't know how to solo on guitar, I have created a course that teaches you how to solo with your major scale and your pentatonic scale. So if you have not gotten that course, use the link below to purchase that course and learn. It has 22 videos that will help you learn how to solo effortlessly. So now the main deal is playing the lead lines that you heard. Now before we move forward, I want to let you know that a chord is made up of melodies. So for every melody you hear me play, I'm playing those melody lines out of a particular chord. They are connected to a particular chord somehow, and that's what I'm going to show you right now. All right, so this mi, so, do. So what I was playing is that lead line, so mi, do, mi, do, mi, do, mi, do, then so, la. So mi, so and do, right? So I'm doing mi, do, then so, la. So I'm going from the so, la is for so, then I'm hitting on the, this is 7, 8, 9, 10, on fret 10, 10, string 2, la, la. So mi, do, so, la. So mi, do, so, la. Then you go to your, so I want us to take it step by step. So mi, do, so, la, then so, fa, so again, mi, do, so, la, fa, so, right? So I want you to take it as slow as possible and get it accurately first before moving to the other one, because if you don't get it slow and accurately, trying to play it fast will not help you. So Right, so I've gotten the melody for mi, do, sol, la, right? So when we go to this sol, we'll do ti, la, sol. It's just simple. Ti, la, sol, ti, la, sol. So mi, do, sol, la. So you strum ti, la, sol. So mi, do, sol, la. Ti, la, sol. Mi, do, sol, la. Ti, la, sol. So re, so, ti. So I'm doing ti, la, sol. Now the same way I did la, sol, ti, la, sol. So it's still on the 10th fret, right? So mi, do, sol, la. Ti, la, sol, ti, la, sol. So the T is on the 7th fret and the La is on the 10th fret. La, sol. Then the same shape, you move it to your Fa and play the same thing. Da, la, sol, fa, re, ti, la, sol, do, la, sol, fa, re, ti, la, sol. So I'm playing do, the 3rd string, then 1st string, 2nd string, 2nd string. So sorry, da, 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 ti, la, sol, ti, la, sol, sol, la, ti, la, sol, fa, la, sol, fa. So all together. So la, sol, fa, la, sol, fa, la, sol, fa, so just play around the melodies. It must not be exactly how I'm playing it. Just play around the melodies. But the good thing is that you already know the shapes. So learn to practice with the soundtrack and melodies. Doing this will help you to be intentional and get used to timing. So all together, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Fa, sol, ti, la, sol, do, sol, la, ti, la, sol. So that's simply it. I believe you enjoyed this video. Yeah, if you want to watch more like this, I have a lot on Makossa seben on my channel, so do well to check it out. If this is your first time here and you want to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss out on sweet videos like this. I'm going to see you in the next video.